Hello. In this video, we'll be showing you how to navigate through the Oxford Dictionary of National Biography resource from the Oxford University Press collection. Now you have signed in to access this resource, you should find yourself on a page like this. The Oxford Dictionary of National Biography contains over 60,000 biographies of significant, influential, or notorious figures who shaped British history. If you scroll down the page, you will find the What's New and Featured sections. The What's New section will provide a paragraph of how many articles have been updated in particular collections, while the Featured section usually provides a paragraph of information on a highlighted biography. If you scroll down further, you will find two more sections. One of the sections being podcasts about particular historical figures, and the other section being the latest tweets from the National Biography. If you scroll back up to the top of the page, you will find a menu tab on the left side of the screen, opposite the search engine. Here, you can look for historical figures through the following two options: occupations and religious affiliation. But to see what kind of content overall is available for you to access, we're just simply going to click on the advanced search button, which can be found next to the search engine. You should now find yourself on the following results page. On the left side of the screen, you will notice the advanced search menu. Just scroll down that menu until you come across the availability section. To see what articles and images are available for you to access, just simply click on the available and free options, and then simply click on the update button below. You will now find yourself taken back to the top of the page, and you may notice some of the results will have changed. For the next example, we'll just simply click on the top result to be taken to the following page where we can read that article in full text format. You can also read that article in a PDF format, simply just by clicking on the PDF icon, which is located underneath the search engine on the right side of the screen. If we go back to the results page and search for an image result, and then simply just click on the first image, and you'll be taken to the following page where you'll be given details about the image, such as when it was published in print and online, as well as the name of the artist, where it was done, and where it is currently located.